How to transfer money from TD Bank to CBC Bank. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to TD Bank, and after that you're gonna have to simply log into your account, then simply go to transfers and then simply click on with my accounts outside TD. Then simply select make a transfer and then click on add a new account. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply add your CBC account details. You're gonna have to choose the account type, then simply add the nickname, and then simply add your CBC bank routing number and account number. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to verify that your CBC bank account. So after you verify it, what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the amount of money that you want to transfer from TD Bank, and then simply confirm the transaction, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.